Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I am doing a meal prep video. So this is for the week of September the 5th. So first I am prepping my breakfast. I have some 2% small curd cottage cheese along with crushed pineapple, just the Great Value brand, nothing special. What I'm doing is 4 days of meal prep, and at the bottom of each one of these Rubbermaid containers, I'm putting a quarter cup of pineapple, and then next I'm going to use my scale and put 7 ounces of cottage cheese on the top. This is a really high protein breakfast and it keeps me pretty full throughout the morning. I usually eat breakfast around 8 a.m. and it definitely gets me through till 11:30 in the morning when I stop to have my lunch. So I really like the combination of the savory cottage cheese and the sweet pineapple. I prefer the crushed pineapple because the chunks are really small, makes it easier to mix up and get a little bit of the pineapple in each bite. And now I'm just going to press the cottage cheese down a little bit. That way the juices from the pineapple stay on the bottom. I tried putting the pineapple on the top of the cottage cheese and visually it was not appetizing at all. So that is a quick and easy 4 days worth of breakfast. And so that'll last me from the 2nd until the 6th. Next, I'm measuring my coffee creamer. So I love coffee, and I realized pretty quickly that I was drinking my calories by having a lot of coffee in the morning. So what I've been doing is 2 ounces of coffee creamer per day. I put 2 squirts of Jordan skinny syrup in my coffee along with 2 ounces of creamer, and that has been perfect for a single cup of coffee. I use the Great Value extra caffeinated K-Cups, which is like 1.75 times stronger than a regular cup of coffee. So it's like almost having 2 cups of coffee in one, which has been working out pretty well for me. Once I have my 1 cup of coffee, I have 1 Monster energy drink with 0 sugar, and those are 10 calories a piece. Next, I'm going to make some jasmine rice in my rice cooker, and I love this aroma rice cooker. It was really inexpensive, but it works well. So I'm taking a cup of the jasmine rice, and I am putting 1.25 cup of water in the rice cooker. Now, I rinse my rice first, seems to work really well, and I'm going to add like 2 teaspoons of some chicken bouillon to the pot just to flavor up the rice a little bit. Now, on this rice cooker, after you put everything in there, you put the lid on it, it weighs down the pot, and you just push this little button down to start the process. And 30 minutes later, you have like absolutely perfect rice. And it's definitely my favorite way to make rice these days. It turns out perfectly every single time. It doesn't matter if it's jasmine rice, basmati, brown, white rice, doesn't matter. So you can see all the seasonings in there, and I'm just going to put 1 cup of rice in each container. So for the 1 cup of uncooked rice, it made 2 cups of cooked, and I'm just making 2 servings of the rice, which I will pair with some chicken, 4 ounces of chicken to be specific, and that's for dinner. So next, in my Instant Pot, I put, I think it was 5 chicken breasts, and I put it on manual pressure, high pressure for 12 to 14 minutes, and then I let it naturally release. It probably released for 25 minutes or so, and then I'm just using an electric mixer to shred the chicken up. I saw this on, See Mindy Mom. I saw her do this. I think she cooks her dog food and uses chicken and shreds it up this way, and I just thought that's such a simple, quick and easy way to shred up chicken, and I've been obsessed with doing it ever since. So shredded chicken, my daughter was standing over me and she says, "Mom, do you need all that chicken?" And I already had some in the freezer that was portioned out in 4-ounce portions. So she took a good chunk of my chicken. So I only had 2 portions left. So a total of 8 ounces of chicken. So 4 ounces per bag. I measure it out, put it in a Ziploc bag, and then I throw it in the freezer. And what I like about putting it in the freezer is that it doesn't go bad. I use it pretty quickly, and it's really easy to reheat. So to reheat in the bag, I just throw the bag into the microwave for 30 seconds. Once it's done, I will turn it over and do it for another 30 seconds. Now I had, well, I guess a little bit more than 8 ounces, but not enough for an entire bag. So I actually let Chewy have the rest of the rest of that chicken. Now I'm making some salad dressing. This is a cottage cheese dressing. So it calls for 1/8 of a cup of shredded Parmesan, a tablespoon of white wine vinegar. It is a 1/2 teaspoon to a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. I can never say that properly. And a couple teaspoons of minced garlic. And I'm using my Ninja, by the way. And then I added a cup of Greek yogurt, just plain yogurt, and then a cup of cottage cheese, the same cottage cheese that I used in my breakfast. And I'm going to blend that up in the using my Ninja, and it smells like ranch dressing, and it tastes very similar to ranch dressing, and it has, very low fat, and I use this dressing in my salads, and my salads are 150 grams, 200 grams of salad, just mixed greens, 85 grams of mixed coleslaw, and then I put 4 ounces of chicken, and I put 48 grams of this dressing that I'm making. And from this one jar, I'll get about 5 servings of 48 grams each. So here's my breakfast. This was the other morning. I had cottage cheese with that pineapple. This is my chicken salad. And then here's my jasmine rice with chicken. And that jasmine rice with chicken has about a teaspoon of soy sauce. So that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, seeing what I ate in a week. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.